Hello friends, welcome back to Cooking Crates. I just got a call from few of my friends whom I have not met in a long time. Since most of them are vegetarians, I thought of taking a treat for them. So what could be better than Paneer Tikka Shashlik? So let's get started. So to make Paneer Tikka Shashlik, we will need paneer, that is cottage cheese, turmeric powder, salt, coriander leaves. We take chili powder, gram flour, that is besan, ginger garlic paste, and here I have taken Greek yogurt, that is you can use hunk yogurt. These are capsicums. I could not get the green one today, so I bought red and the yellow pepper. You can include green also in this. So yeah, these are the ingredients we need. So let's get started. Now we'll cut the cottage cheese paneer into cubes. Because these are tikkas, we won't make it too small. Try and make it big, because while grilling at times it breaks and it's not easy to handle then. Usually when we are preparing tikka, we put salt or chaat masala on top of it. What happens, the salt is it's always there on top, it doesn't absorb inside. So for now we'll put some salt over this. We'll transfer this into the plate. And we'll place these cubes here. We'll sprinkle some salt over this. And some red chili powder. With this we will keep it for about 10 minutes so that the salt is absorbed within it. Otherwise what happens when we eat, there's more salt on top, but inside it's very you don't get that salt taste inside. So we will keep this aside for about 10 minutes so that the salt and the chilies totally absorb into the cottage cheese paneer. So now it's 10 minutes and now let's start the marination we need to do for this. I have cut these, chopped these capsicum into cubes. I've cut into bigger ones so that the size of paneer and the capsicum is equal. I have cut these onions. I have taken, as I told you, red pepper and yellow pepper. Now we will prepare the marination. For that I have taken Greek yogurt, we'll add some salt, some ginger garlic paste and some coriander leaves. We'll chop them. And we'll mix it. Now we will be doing the other part of the marination. Now we take a pan and add some mustard oil. Mustard oil gives a very good taste. Now the oil is hot, we'll add some carom seeds. We'll add some chopped green chilies and grated ginger. Mix it. Add some turmeric powder. We'll add some gram flour, that's besan, and we'll saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now our gram flour is done. Now we'll turn off the flame and add this to the marination which we have done before. Now we'll add the gram flour marination into this. And we will mix it. Now we'll apply this marination to the paneer. With clean hands, apply it on all the sides. The gram flour and the oil binds all the spices together, and the masala, the marination sticks very well to the paneer, because usually paneer, whenever we marinate it, the entire masala does not stick to it. Now this is how I have marinated. You can see even the capsicum, onion and the paneer is ready. We will you have to really take care and be careful. We will take the capsicum. We'll take onion. And we'll take a piece of paneer. Keep it aside. Take another one. We'll just grease the pan and we will be grilling it. Meanwhile, our tikka is getting grilled. We will prepare a quick dip. For that I have chopped some onion. We'll add some coriander leaves. I am using your dry mint leaf. You can use fresh mint. We'll add some mayonnaise and we will mix it. Now our tikkas are done very well, grilled from all the sides. Now it's ready to serve. We'll serve with the dip we prepared. Your Paneer Tikka Shashlik is ready to eat.